So today I will show you how to replace the battery of Oneplus earbuds. I believe this is the Oneplus third generation. So it is easy, not difficult as the iPhone AirPods. So let's get started. I will not waste your time. What is this? So here, take this out, and for me this is easy to open because I have already opened it and replaced the battery of one earbud, and for me this is easy, and I will teach you how to do it because there are so many ribbons which you have to disconnect, and they may break, so you must do everything with care. So open it like this. For you it will take a little more force than what I applied. So first thing first, you have, if you can see here, I'll show you in the camera. You have to take this ribbon off. So this will disconnect the charging connection and the speaker from the earbud. Now from here the game became a little harder. So if you can see there is lots of gum all around, see. So for that I will set my hard air gun. The temperature will be 280 and the air will be 60, and I will gently walaikum assalam, gently heat the and gently heat the earbud so the glue will not take any components with it when it's coming out. Without heat, if I'm doing this, so it will in the first earbud which I was fixing, one of the capacitor came out, which was very hard to fix. See, so this will help me removing the extra gum, which is, see, now the gum is softer because of the heat. And also remember the temperature is 280 and the air was 60 when I was doing this procedure. See, now you will have to take this antenna off. After that, this ribbon, see, it's not coming out because of the gum. Now the third one, this, and here you can see the battery connection. It is here, this positive point, negative point, and this glue is must removed. See, hold it. See, like this you will take the main board out of the earbud. One of the cap under this glue was disconnected in the other earbud, which I fixed. Now our main point is to remove the battery, so I will apply more heat here. See, this is the battery. Now I will tell you one thing, that these round batteries are not available in the market in my region, but battery like this, I will show you here. Battery like this, the square batteries are available everywhere in the markets. These are for the local assembled earbuds, and if you can see, the size is almost equivalent. So let me show you how to take that off. See, you have there here the two connection, and you will take this like this. See, it's not a big deal, and apply some weight on it, so you will, I hope you can see, it's not hard. See, it's out. Now we have the main board, and here's the battery. So I will connect wire, jumper wire, to both the connections, so it will easy for me to rejoin the battery. Kali sakar pam ha mala serpio pinzamenta raka mo. Now I will apply a little tape. Now you can see here a point for the antenna, so you must place it wrong in the right direction, see, and push it so it can reach the place where it came from. Now the antenna is here. So you can see the light. So this is how you can replace the battery of OnePlus earbuds generation 3. If you have any other question about this fix, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching.